Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to protect the WP admin directory in WordPress. So we are going to increase WordPress security and WP admin page or wp-login.php page only accessed by specific IP address. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our website. Now go to file manager again. So we are going to add custom code in .htaccess file. So this is our .htaccess file. Right click on it and then click on edit. So our .htaccess file is open and we are going to restrict access to the WP admin directory by allowing only specific IP address. So we are going to add custom code. Now paste and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see files wp-login.php and then you see order, deny, allow, deny from all, allow from. So you can add your IP address. So WP login page or admin page only accessed by your IP. So we added different IP and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to access WP login page. Now you see success message. Now go to dashboard, copy this link. Now open it. So we added different IP address. We don't add our IP address. And then you see 403 forbidden error. So login page not accessed because we added different IP address. Now back to .htaccess file. So in this line of code, you can add your IP address. So only you can access wp-login.php page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.